Now we show you the setup from 12 inches fold sides to the new job 16 inches and half. We insert the new parameter in the touchscreen 419.1 and now we follow the setup. Here you have the parameters. In this case, the stack is composed by 500 folds, and the preset counter is 100 times the stack. Stack split time is 0.6, and we select the gap sensor. And now we are working offline with the small unwinder model UW-350. So according with the setup, the machine shows the position of the mechanical parts. So A6, 31 degree. Now we change the position. On this part you have letters A, B, C. And you change the position to A, from B to A. And here we move from 7 to 6. Now we have to open the external knob to open all the arms to reach the new dimension. There is a flag on the other side, and you can understand 16 and a half on the limit of the aluminum frame. Now, playing with the jog and the arrow selector, the folding selector, you find the position of the degree. We have to find 31. Take with your hand the funnel and fix the screw. Then, according with the jog, the folding fast selector, you verify if left and right side is the same value. A little correction. And lock it. That's all. So we can close the door. Now we can start feeding the reel. Opening the upper door, release the eccentric for the nip roller pressure, insert the material under the brush. Here you have the 3 sets as option for vertical knife, and in this case the hardened cylinder able to do vertical cuts in rows. So feed the material up to the nip rollers and then close the eccentric. This job will be checked through the gaps, and we will work with this sensor. If the material when comes through the jog, okay, now we play with jog and folding fast selector, okay? So look, jog, and the machine goes in control speed. Now we have to adjust the new setup according with the new width of the paper, okay? So we try to fold, helping by hand, one fold to verify the alignment on the spirals, okay? So now, up to this point, we open the door to have the opportunity to adjust the spiral and beater position according with the new width of the material. So you unscrew and put closer to the center up to the material works inside the spiral, external to the core of the spiral. Then lock again with the key number 8 the position of the spiral. You have to do the same thing on the other side. So playing with jog, you verify when you see the beater screw, so you can move in the right way the mechanical parts, and move again in line the spiral according with the width, okay? So the result is that the material must go inside the spiral. The other side is the same line of the previous material. So now what's happened? We play with jog and arrow selector to find the folding position. So the beater, the aluminum beater, must hit the paper about 2 centimeters after cross perforation. So with jog we move beaters and the web. While playing with the arrow selector, we move only beaters, and we move according with the right position, and then move again with jog. We verify on the other side. Okay, now we help by hand because the paper must go inside the spiral. A little correction, because if the spiral, wait, Serge. If the spiral is over if the material is over the spiral, is the spiral position is not correct. Look, this is wrong setup. So now we adjust a bit external, and that's fine. Because otherwise the material doesn't go through the spiral. So now we verify again in jog mode if everything is fine. Look, when in jog mode it's correct, we close all doors. now we have the message safety disabled. It means the security switch was to off and we can run only in job mode. Now everything is closed. We turn the selector and now we can run in automatic and play with potentiometer speed control. It was a bit in advance. Ha messo la marca gap? Sì. Ok. After a few folds, we can release a bit also the position of the lower shaft under the belt. You can adjust a bit the position. Now I show you. This is the unwinder with the loop control, with the sensor. Gap sensor, nip rollers, Now we are running at more or less 70 meters per minute. That is the maximum speed we suggest with the small unwinder to work offline. So this is a fine exit. When the counter will reach 500 volts, there will be a job separation. The productivity is perfectly 10,000 volts per hour. You can save all jobs with its name and parameters. According with the thickness of the material, you can increase or decrease the speed of the belt to have the right exit quality. So this is perfect. The unwinder is running, following the sensor. Now we are going to reach the preset counter, 10 volts. Look, the speed up. So the operator cuts this perforation and knows that the first stack is composed by 500 volts. Okay, thank you.